Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share my recipe for Pumpkin Spice Rice Krispie Treats. Make sure you have subscribed so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 6 tablespoons of butter, a 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium-low heat. Remove 1 cup of mini marshmallows and set aside. Then add the remaining marshmallows to the butter mixture and continue to stir until the marshmallows have melted. Turn off the heat and stir in the pumpkin spice and vanilla. Add the cereal to the marshmallow mixture and stir to coat. Gently fold in the extra cup of marshmallows. Grease a jelly roll pan or 9x13 pan or line with parchment paper and press the cereal mixture over the bottom. I hope you love these Pumpkin Spice Rice Krispie Treats as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure you have subscribed so you won't miss any new recipes, and I'll see you next time.